What is up, guys? This is Unleash Your Device, and today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iPhone/iPad without using a computer. So first thing is you need to have these following two requirements. The first one is you want to have a device that has a A8X processor through A11 processor. A12X is currently not supported. It is in the works, but it's currently not supported with this jailbreak, and you guys will need to wait a little more longer. And the second requirement is that you need to have any iOS version between iOS 11 to iOS 12.1.2. So if you have anything higher than 12.1.2, unfortunately this jailbreak is patched on those versions, and you will have to wait for a newer exploit for those versions. But if you are anywhere between 12.1.2 below that, then this jailbreak will work for you. However, if you're on iOS 12, if you're on an A12 chip or A12X chip and you're below iOS 12.1.2 version, then you might want to hold on that update. Do not update. They might add support. It might take just a little bit longer, maybe weeks or a couple months, but it's worth the jailbreak. If you're waiting for that jailbreak, if you're waiting, it'll be worth it, because in the subsequent versions it might even take months to find a newer jailbreak, or even a year. So it's better you might hold off on that update. So first thing we want to do is go to Google and search Tweakbox app. I have it already open, and once you get to this, you just click install now and click open, and then you'll get a message. Website is trying to open settings to show your configuration profile. So you want to allow this, and you come here and you will install this profile. What this essentially does is it lets your phone use Tweakbox and install it, and install all the apps you're going to be installing from it. So Tweakbox is like an app store for modded apps and jailbroken apps. So you want to install it, and it's asking for your passcode, and install profile. Done. So now when you go to your home page, you'll see a Tweakbox app there. So click Tweakbox. We value your privacy, accept this, and now you want to go to apps. Once you go to apps, you go to Tweakbox apps, and you scroll all the way down, and over here you see uncover jailbreak. You click on this. Once you're here, you click install, and you'll get a pop-up saying Tweakbox would like to install uncover jailbreak. So you install it, and that's pretty much it to get the jailbreak app installed onto your home screen. And there you have it, uncover. So you want to open uncover. I already have my device jailbroken, and that's why you see re-jailbreak. But once you if you're doing this for the first time, you'll see the button jailbreak, and once you click it, you'll see a lot of stuff happening in this terminal, and in the end it'll give you the pop-up, that a brief pop-up, a long pop-up saying your device has been jailbroken, and it'll immediately respring. So you won't see the Apple logo when you get back on. You'll just see the loading animation, and you'll get sent back to the lock screen. And unfortunately, sometimes it doesn't work the first time, and you have to go back in and click the jailbreak button again. If it doesn't work, you have to keep doing it until it keeps happening until you finally jailbreak it. The way you'll know you jailbreak it is once you jailbreak it, you'll see the Cydia app on your home screen. So once you click it, you'll be able to open it. And that's always the first way to make sure that you still have jailbreak, is open the Cydia app. And if the Cydia app immediately crashes, you'll need to jailbreak again, because once you jailbreak, you can't restart your device. Every time you restart, you need to re-jailbreak, otherwise you'll go back into non-jailbroken form. So you want to have uncover on your device at all times in case you restart. The other thing is you want to always check for uncover updates. Sometimes they update for stability, so sometimes now we have to jailbreak 2-3 times to see effective jailbreak. But we've gotten to the point where we kind of only have to do it once. So the developers are always adding updates to jailbreak app that where more stability comes and it's better overall performance. So that's something you always want to keep an eye out for, like the jailbreak. And apart from that, that's pretty much it. You'll have a jailbroken device. You'll be able to use Cydia, and from Cydia you can use a whole bunch of tweaks. So that's about it. If you guys want more information on this jailbreak or have any questions, you can leave comments in the section below. I'll make a video to show you guys what tweaks I'm using and what tweaks you should install after you jailbreak your device, because there's a lot of must-have tweaks that you need after you jailbreak your device, and some crucial ones to help the overall health of your device and must-have in case your device messes up. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please rate, comment, and subscribe, and that's about it. Thank you.